Huge, humongous bird, but I don't know where it went now. I lost it. Oh my god. If you guys could have seen it, it was so big. Oh my shit. What the fuck? Where'd it go now? It's gone. Must have heard the door shut or something. Dang it. It was so big. It was like so big. Oh my god. It was so big. I wish it would come back. I don't see it anymore. Oh, there's a bunch of them over there though flying. I don't know if you can see them. Oh my god, they're coming this way, guys. Oh my god. I hope they don't attack me. Can you guys see? See, I can't see when I'm filming. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. You should have seen that other one on this side. It was so big. Look at them over there. Look, there's a bunch over here too. Oh my god. What are they doing? Why is there so many big birds out? I thought I had seen like... If he gets snatched up, George, I swear to God. Hopefully they don't snatch him up. I hope they don't snatch him. Oh my god, you don't even know. They might. Yeah, they might. I don't know if anybody can see them. Oh my god, look. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't like this. Oh, what did they shit on me? Can you guys see that? Oh my god, look at, they're coming. Oh my god. They're huge. Oh, if they shit on me, I gotta close my mouth. I can't have that happening. I can't even see them anymore.
That'll be the day.
Huh?
That'll be the day you close your mouth.
Yeah, right? Oh my god. What are they looking for? There's so many of them. There's a guy down there fishing.
Yeah. Can't fish above the bridge. You can fish anywhere down there. See, there's a little island over there. It's handicap accessible for fishing down along the edge over there. So.
I'd like to know. What? Where's the dog?
What the guy fishing?
Where? I don't see a dog.
On the edge of the water.
Oh, over there. Way over there. I didn't see him.
Looks like a fox.
I didn't see him. You better watch those birds. Don't get his dog. They're flying. They're gone. Oh, they're over there. Yeah. But I want to show this water over here. Highest curbs ever, right? I said the highest curbs ever. What? No, I didn't. I didn't hit hard, no.
See right here? The path we were going to go down comes to right here. You can walk up to the bridge.
What are they?
There's two bald eagles. They sit there and they sit there and fish.
Really?
One of those old trees.
It's fucking cold now. Look at that thing over there. Oh, it's cold out now.
There's blue hair and there's all kinds of...
Look at that little, like, brook, that stream that goes through into the... That's pretty cool. Oh, well. There was no path. There was fucking, like, no, there wasn't. The people swimming here? Swimming there.
Down as far as the sand. This is going to go down low.
Alright, I'm cold. It is cold. Alright, everybody. Peace, love, and tacos.